some of these plants are growing in my neighbor's lawn. What are they, and can you cultivate them in a flower bed? And this is Katie in Arlington, Tennessee. Okay, she wants to know what those flowers are, and can she put those in her flower bed? We know what those are.
Yes, that's muscari.
Muscari.
Also known as grape hyacinth, although it's not really a hyacinth. It's a different plant.
Okay.
But that's a common name for muscari or muscari. And yes, you can grow those in flower beds. What you might want to do if they have a lot of them and they don't really care about them, they're just growing in the lawn, maybe before the foliage dies down, they'd let you go dig a few. And if you do that, plant them immediately so the bulbs don't get dried out.
Right.
But you want to do that now so you can, where they're still up, the foliage, because after the foliage goes, you won't know where they are. Or you could also purchase bulbs for planting in the fall of the year around Thanksgiving.
Okay, because they are bulbs. We want people to know that. Muscari are bulbs. They're actually growing now.
Yes.
In my front lawn. So what I do is just go dig them out. Yeah, you just put them in a flower bed and they'll be just fine. Yeah. It likes my sunny, front lawn along with the weeds. Yeah. So they're all there together. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.